had what I call a light bulb moment. I mean, really a light bulb moment when I decided to combine my two loves, one being my love of art and painting, and the other being my love of stitching. My background is a fashion designer, so I have been using either a sewing machine or a needle and thread since literally since the age of 4 years old. So what I'm actually doing now is on the teapot, I am doing the hand painting. And what I like to do is to make the artwork basically a beautiful template. So if I decide later not to do the embroidery on the artwork will be able to stand alone. As it is, I use exactly the colors that I'll be using with the thread, and I make it as detailed as possible. As I said, I would like it to be able to stand on its own. Once the artwork is complete, I commence with the stitching. Now, the stitching does take a fair amount of time, but in the long run, I feel it's absolutely worth it. Not only does it create an added texture, but the hues of the embroidery are so vibrant that it just seems to make the rest of the painting pop, which to me is just absolutely wonderful, because let's face it, paintings are all about the color. Finally, after quite a few man hours, I must admit, the embroidery is done. So I have decided to call this painting The Gift. All of us love a gift, whether we're giving it or whether we're receiving it. It fills us with a sense of joy. And that's kind of what I feel when I look at this painting, and I just thought it's going to be called The Gift. So I'm going to give you a close-up video of the embroidery, and then it's done.